Hi, I'm Josh the Pez guy. Every day I hand out a Pez dispenser to somebody, usually on the lower times, to kind of boost their day and bring a smile to their face. And Pez dispensers really do make people smile. And I like being the reason that someone would smile. It's a lot of fun to make somebody's day better, especially in a world of negativity that we have right now. So I am starting a hashtag that's never been used before called hashtag hands on Pez, where I am trying to get as many hands on Pez dispensers as I possibly can. Now, I'll be taking pictures of people's hands on Pez dispensers and putting a story below to tell you why I felt the need to give that person a Pez dispenser. Make them smile is always going to be the reason. But I'm trying to get 1,000 done before the end of the year, and I know I can't do it by myself. So I'm asking you for help. Help me put hands on Pez by using the hashtag hands on Pez on any social media platform.